In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Steam Overlay for one game. If you've noticed stuttering, lower frame rates, or just don't need the overlay features like chat and the web browser popping up during gameplay, turning it off for a single title can make things smoother without affecting your other games. Start by launching the Steam client and make sure you're logged in. You'll want to be on the main Steam window so you can see your game collection. At the top of the window, click the Library tab. This switches you to your installed games list, where you can manage settings on a per-game basis. Find the specific game you want to adjust. When you see it in the list, right-click the game's title. This opens a context menu with a bunch of management options that are specific to that game. From this menu, click Properties. Properties is where Steam keeps most of the individual game settings, so it's the right place to make this change. When the Properties window opens, you'll land on the General tab by default, and that's exactly where you need to be. On this page, look for the option labeled Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game. This is a checkbox that controls whether the overlay is allowed to appear for that one game. To disable the overlay, simply uncheck the box. That tells Steam not to load the overlay when you launch this title, while leaving the overlay enabled for everything else in your library. Once you've unchecked it, apply the change by clicking OK or Close, depending on the button you see. Steam will remember this setting automatically, so you won't have to revisit it each time you play. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind. Disabling the overlay for one game affects only that game, which is ideal if you're troubleshooting performance or crashes without changing your setup globally. With the overlay turned off, features that rely on it like Shift-Tab for friends, the in-game browser, and the Steam screenshot hotkey won't appear in that specific title. If you still need screenshots, check whether the game has its own screenshot or capture feature, or use your operating system or graphics software tools instead. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.